Hello friends, welcome to Revive. Today we are going to share with you 7 bad habits that will destroy your success. So let's start it. Number 1. Negative thinking. This is where it all starts, that 80% of self-talk is negative. Everything from business, school, love, or even a simple hobby become affected by the negativity that you love to brew with yourself. Negative behavior and thought hold you back. Allowing a negative mindset to take hold is like you are allowing a poison into your brain. Don't do it. In order to be successful, first thing that you must learn to do is control your mind. Our mind is the central path which is helped to plan and execute all the important actions for success. But what should you do if you have a negative thought? Then try to remember your best achievement that you achieve and think something that you are looking forward. Compare it with your negative thought. In more cases, you will find the positive thought of your achievements or events that can overcome your negative thought, and this positive thought encourage you to achieve your success goal. Number 2. Postponing your health. You know the excuse, I will go to gym in the morning or I will start eating better tomorrow. The problem is we keep putting our goals off, and before we know it, we have developed an unhealthy habit. Your physical and mental health determine your performance. How do you act and what you want to achieve? It all comes to our most powerful part of your body, your mind. Having a good mental state will definitely affect your all over performance. Being active and eating the right nutrition food help you to balance your physical health. Think your body is the most important asset in your life. Be the best version of yourself and strive for the best at everything you do. Number 3. Expecting perfection. Nothing kills your success quicker than the expectation of perfection. Trying to do things perfectly often seems like a good idea, but expecting perfection isn't realistic. There is nothing wrong to do high quality work and want improvement. You have to start something in order to progress. If you want to be perfect first, then you will start achieving your goals. You are under procrastination. Waiting for the perfect idea or the perfect moment only lead you to think. So, shift your mindset to start something. You may face failure, but that failure move forward to excellence, because perfectionism and excellence are not the same thing. Number 4. Not reading. It doesn't matter how busy you are. Reading is necessary for success. A study reveals that of successful people, the one thing they all seems to have in common in a passion and dedication for reading book. Warren Buffett takes this habit to extreme. He read approx 1000 pages per day when he was at beginning his investing career. Meanwhile, Bill Gates reads about 50 books per year. And Elon Musk is avid reader. When he asked how he learned to build rockets, he said, I read books. There are many examples of successful people. They clear to never stop learning, and reading is a key part of their success. Number 5. Multitasking. You can jump back to another activity from one activity, but you can't handle both at the same time. Productivity relies on focus. You need to be present and fix your attention on the information that you are receiving in order to act on activity. But unfortunately, our work and school encourage to multitasking. But a study proved that error rate goes up to 50% during multitasking. So do one thing at a time and you will do it better and faster towards your success. Number 6. Blame others for your mistake. Blame is a virus that is transferring your sense of guilt to someone else. It's also easier to blame someone for your actions rather than take a deeper look at why you make this mistake and never learn the important lessons that can prevent future mistakes and lead to growth. Number 7. Fear of failure. Whatever your goals and desire in life, the most way to prevent them from coming true to be a fear of what might happen if you fail. Do you know that J.K. Rowling's first Harry Potter books was turned down 12 publishers before it was finally accepted? This is a clear misunderstanding on your part. Failure is a part of every successful undertaking. Do not think you need more information, you need to develop more skills, or you aren't good enough to start something towards your goals. So, take a stand for your best life and refuse to allow fear of failure to rob you of that life. If you like this video, so please subscribe our channel to get more knowledgeable and self-development videos update.
And finally, thanks for watching.